Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is a beautiful morning here in my beauty room. I'm just gonna film a very casual get ready with me type of video, but this video is going to be more about new products that I'm loving currently. I was just testing it out for a few weeks and then I was in love, so that's what I'm gonna share with you guys. It's just like my new beauty favorites. And yeah, today is such a beautiful winter morning and in front of me I have my beautiful garden, which is amazing, and this setup is so cozy, so amazing, because I really want to film with the natural light and everything, but during summers it gets really hard to film with natural light because obviously I have to switch on my AC. It's like too much humidity, so that's why in winters I always try to use this setup, use this lighting, and it just looks so calm, so beautiful. I hope you guys will really enjoy it. It's just going to be a very calm, cozy, a laid back type of video, just like old days. If you want to grab any coffee or some drink, you can definitely do it. Let's get started. Starting off with this particular skin tint. This is from NYX. I already tried this product. I already reviewed it on my Instagram, but here on YouTube I'm gonna try it out with you guys. This is the NYX Buttermelt Glaze Soft Glow Skin Tint. This contains SPF 30, which is great. If you want extra SPF, this is like a great product. I picked up the shade Cashew, but it's a little bit light for my skin, so I think I'm gonna pick up a shade darker, like one shade darker than this. This is such a beautiful packaging, by the way. It looks very cute, easy to travel with. And this product, why is this so special? Because it actually looks and feels like butter on your skin. It just gives you such a beautiful finish. It's like glowy but not too much, and it just makes your skin look so healthy. It's more of like that healthy skin based product. Just look how perfect that is. By the way, please ignore the shade. I know it's a light shade, but I just love this finish so much, and that's why I picked it up. I'm gonna fix up the shade with some bronzer, don't worry about that. Right now it's gonna look a little bit weird, of course. It's not my shade. This is what the skin tint looks like. Can you see how perfect that is? I mean, look at my skin texture. It's so beautiful. I love this skin tint so much. It's like not too oily, it's not too much, but it's something in the middle. It just gives you such a beautiful satin, soft, healthy skin finish, and it's very natural looking as well. And I think it does oxidize a little bit, just a little amount, because right now the shade is looking so perfect. It's not looking that white. Just look, it does not feel tacky, does not feel greasy. It's such an amazing product, and I haven't even used my moisturizer, but still my skin is not looking dry, not looking flaky. It just brings out the moisture effect. It just brings out that healthy skin effect so perfectly. I have a new concealer with me, so I'm just going to use my Tower 28 concealer. It's really nice, gives a natural coverage, and it's in the shade, oh, I don't know the shade name, but yeah, this is the Tower 28 concealer, which I purchased from an Instagram makeup page. Long wearing concealer, and more of like a hydrating concealer. If you have dry under eyes, you can use this one. It's so beautiful. Gives you it does not give you that hydrating finish, but it just does not make your under eye look dry. I'm blending it out with my beauty sponge. Use this Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Complexion Perfecting Powder, and I picked this up in the shade medium. It's so beautiful. Every single person loves this powder, and it's like a perfect one, I guess. I did tested it out. It's actually a beautiful powder. So this is the powder, this is what it looks like, and I will just use this powder. And the mirror is also beautiful, like the perfect size. I can see my whole face. And I'm just going to set this. Oh wow, it's super natural looking. It's really nice. It makes your makeup look perfect. This is what my skin looks like with the powder and the foundation with a little bit of concealer. It's time for some bronzer and blush. For my blush, I am trying this product out for the first time. This is from e.l.f. I know the formula, but this color is new to me. It's an orange shade and I'm very excited to try this one. I think this is going to be pigmented, so I'm really scared. My foundation, oh my god, this is too much. Let's see how it blends. I'm gonna fix this up. Oh my god, this is, I don't know why I used this much product, but it's so pretty. Look at that color. Never used an orange blush, but this looks so perfect. Just do this side. This is literally like your Rare Beauty liquid blush. It's super pigmented. I mean, one dot and see how pigmented this is. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I used a bit of concealer and with my beauty sponge, I just dabbed it and it's good to go. Beautiful product, beautiful formula, not for beginners though. It can be a little bit messy, and what amount of product you are using, it totally depends on that. So this is what the color looks like. I think it's a perfect shade. If you know how to control a pigmented blush, you will really love this one. So for my bronzer, I'm gonna use this L'Oreal Paris Bronze to Paradise bronzer. Now you guys know I went to Egypt and this is the bronzer I purchased from KIRO airport, and obviously this is not yet available in India, but I think soon it will. This is in the shade Back to Bronze. When I saw this bronzer, I was like, okay, I have to get this one because I know that this is going to be good. This is a very viral product and look at this shade. It's so perfect for bronzing. I don't like too dark shades, but I want something which is going to be a little bit, I mean, it should look like I have a little bit of contrast on my face. So it's something like this. This is what the bronzer looks. I'm just going to bronze up my face a little bit. Even can't see the difference, but in person I can definitely see. And it's a buttery, very beautiful bronzer which just melts your makeup and it looks absolutely beautiful. Face and eye palette. This is from Benefit Cosmetics and this is the Treat Yourself Gorgeous Eyeshadow and Mini Blush Palette. This is what it looks like. It reminds me of old school makeup, to be very honest. It's so vintage, so perfect. I know it can be bulky for few people, hard to travel with, but I think it's so cute. And it comes with a huge mirror. You get a beautiful eyeshadow range and then your blush shades. Definitely I'm going to use the eyeshadows for today, and these are so buttery soft, very beautifully pigmented and perfect if you are looking for something like a one and done palette. This is the perfect one for you. Purpley shade, and I'm going to use it all over my eyelid. Cannot expect a lot of pigmentation from this palette. It's going to be like that natural sheen of color. It's not like your typical ColourPop eyeshadow palette. It's something which will give you that very chic, soft type of a finish. Like a brown shade, and I'm just going to use it to create a little bit of definition. Okay, this is the eye makeup look. I used some mascara. Now I'm gonna use this lip color. This is from KIRO, my new favorite, new obsession you can say. And I'm gonna use like a brown shade, the last one, because I think it's going to be a very unique combo with the eye makeup. These are so pigmented. I'm gonna let it sit for a few minutes. It will dry out completely, and just look at that lip combo. So perfect, and it just looks so perfect. I'm obsessed. I just can't stop looking at myself. It looks so amazing with this particular eye look, and every single thing about this look is so polished yet very, very glam at the same time. It's super easy to do. So I purchased from KIRO airport, and this is available in India. You can get this, but I was like, I have to get this one. I wish listed this product for a really long time. This is the Clarins Fix Makeup, and it's like a setting spray, but you can use it in 3 different ways, like your primer, like your makeup fixer, and also like a finishing spray. It's so beautiful, and just to look at this beautiful packaging, I mean, it's the most gorgeous setting spray I have in my collection. Wow, I love this so much. It's like a makeup refresher. Amazing. I love this one so much. So guys, this is my makeup look. I'm obsessed how this turned out today, and every single product in this video is my favorite, and for a reason. I shared every single product with you guys. These are my new current obsession. I'm loving it so much. Purchased it, worth every single penny, and I'm so grateful that I have it with me. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.